So I've just walked back upstairs again to the tower room, and that's where this is where the stick came down, and the beam is literally right beside it there. So the beam goes from about here where the hole is to about there, I guess. It's about that wide, wasn't it? It was about what was it, 15-20 centimeters wide. So that is potentially going to be a bit of a problem, because I wanted the wall to run from beside this window here, running across this way, and the beam looks like it's bang right in the middle of that. So I'm going to have to do some measurements and see how we can best get the wall, or the pipes inside the wall actually, to go from just the side of the window there, avoiding where the hole is, avoiding the beam that's directly to the right of that hole where the pliers are, and go down through the floor. As I was saying, the next place to excavate will be up here, but again, as I was saying earlier, the roof is the roof up here is in a dome shape, which is possibly a bit difficult to see on the camera. But we'll have to see how the beams are running up in the ceiling up there compared to down in the basement down there. All right. So I'm back on the bathroom project this morning, and I've been trying to think about how to connect the pipes through the floors, because we're going 3 floors up, so that the pipes are in the same position coming down through the floors in each bathroom. So I've been thinking about it during this morning and last night, and I think one idea would be this. So the hole I've already drilled is here where the stick's going down through the floor there, and then I need to make sure that the pipe comes down. We're going to make a wall that the pipe goes through, and then it needs to come through the ceiling up there. So the idea I've come up with is to do a plumb line. So I'll take the string up to the ceiling and then drop it down so that it's sitting over where I've already drilled the hole down there. Found this nice bronze, I don't know what it is, stopper for a bottle or for a carafe or something. Anyway, it's heavy, so that's going to form my plumb line. So I'm going to hang it from the ceiling and let it drop down so it's nearly over the hole that I've already drilled, and see if I can then get my drill and drill up through there and see what I find. Hopefully I'm going to avoid any beams, and that's where the pipe will pass through. Fingers crossed. So let's see how we get on. So the first thing to do, make sure I've got a pencil, a plumb line, and we'll see if we can go up the ladder. This is where they used to hang all the meats and cheeses from these hooks. There's a kind of a round one with lots of metal hooks there. And let's see, without falling off of the ladder, you can't probably see the plumb line at the bottom, but I can. Obviously need to stop it swinging around, that's going to be a bit of a thing, but if I ground it first, it might stop it swinging around so much. Just long enough. It's about there, you know. Around there. That's close enough anyway. The actual height from the floor to the top of the ceiling, which I just mentioned before, is got a nice dome on it. It's about 3 meters 40 from the ground there to the top of the ceiling. So that's my mark. So I hope that will be the place I drill. Right, I've got to move the ladder across a bit. Which I should do now. About there. Where's the hole? I'm not sure my drill extension's long enough. Let's have a look. Got a nice big drill bit on the drill still. I don't know if you can see that. Which will hopefully be long enough to go through whatever in the floor there. Oh shit, I forgot to plug the fridge back on yesterday. Thankfully Jay did it. Sorry Jay. This is Jay's fridge that he uses when we've got the big fridge in the kitchen switched off. So again, unfortunately I've still got to use an electric drill until I buy a new cordless one. Is the extension cord long enough? I think it will be. Just. Then can you find your mark? It's there. Right, let's see what we're going to find up here. To avoid getting anything in my eyes, because my contact lenses never appreciate any dust. Should have really had some glasses on. Right, lots of dust has come down, so we'll take the camera off of here. There's the hole up there. I'm not sure whether you can see that. We've just drilled. Right, I'm going to walk upstairs now, and to see if the hole I've just drilled has come through the floor. So I'm quite excited to see this. Let's go up the stairs. Say good morning to Monsieur Elephant. Monsieur Scoop, and let's go up now and see if we manage to penetrate the floor. Up the stairs. That's Mr. Hippo. I like Mr. Hippo. Here we go. Did it come through the floor? Make life easier if it did. I don't see anything. It's a bit dark. Should be around there. But I don't see anything. I'll open the big old windows up. Get a bit of light in here and see if we can find a hole. Well, if I did make one, it's not obvious. Okay, so what I've done is, first of all, I've got myself some goggles to protect my eyes, because as I said, my contact lenses do not like it. I've just been downstairs in the workshop to look for a bigger drill bit, but of course I haven't got one, so all I've done is try to not put so much of the drill bit into the chuck, into the drill. I'm going to try and drill a bit straighter than I did the first time and see if that couple of centimetres just gives me enough to make a dent upstairs. So here we go. Let's see, try and do it as straight as I can. So, felt like I went a little bit higher, deeper. So, goggles worked well. Didn't get any crap in my eyes this time. Let's go and have another look upstairs and see if there's any sign of a hole. Have we been lucky? Unfortunately, I'm not seeing a hole. Nope. Don't see anything. So, we're going to need to come up with another plan. Dig some plaster out from the ceiling so I can push the drill in further, or buy or find a longer drill bit, because it has not come through. Okay. I'm going to have to keep watching this video now to see if we can find a way to get through this floor. And if you've got a comment about how I could have drilled through the floor from above up here and a better idea, then I'd love to hear it. So please leave a comment. So, I extended the drill bit by about another centimetre and really shoved it up a little bit higher. So, third time lucky, as they say. Didn't see it to begin with, but as I search around a bit more, I think that is the hole. If you can see it on the camera. So, hopefully we have success. I'm going to go and grab the drill and drill down and see if the drill bit pokes out down at the bottom there. Okay, so third time lucky. It seems like we've managed to make a hole up here, about there. I'm hoping that's the hole. So now I'm going to drill down to the first floor there, see if I can connect the two holes, and hopefully the pipe will pass around here from above. So let's have a go. not really using the right drill bit. But once I get through the tile, hopefully it should be good. So I've changed the drill bit over. You never got enough drill bits. To this smaller one, it's a masonry one, because I think the other drill bit was having trouble getting through the tile. So let's have a go with this one. There you go. Always use the right drill bit for the job. Metal, different types of metal, wood. You can even get oak wood drill bits. And obviously drill bits for tiles, like that one was, and masonry, stonework. You can get drill bits for going through tiles, ceramic tiles. So let's see now if this will penetrate right through. There's definitely something stopping it going through. Might be a beam, might have hit a beam. So it seemed to go through, but not the whole way. I felt it go through a bit more. I'm going to put a bit more pressure on it. But still got 3 or 4 centimetres to go there. So I might try and give it another go from below. See if it can come up through. Alright. Must be nearly lunchtime.